Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Tidbits from Japan. So I was in busy big city Osaka the other day, and I needed to decide how to return to my home in Nagoya, a trip of about 180 kilometers. The fastest and most obvious way was to take the famous Shinkansen, or bullet train. It's incredibly convenient, fast, and fun, but it's also incredibly expensive for residents of Japan. If you're a tourist and have a JR pass, it's the best way to go. Unfortunately, I live here, so I've got to pay the regular price. So, I was looking for an alternative and ran across a relatively new option from Kintetsu Railway Company. They have an hourly express train running from Osaka to Nagoya called the Hinotori. It takes about twice as long as the Shinkansen, but it's much cheaper. The website looked cool, so I decided to try it. Here it comes. Looks pretty nice. So, just getting on the train now. Here are some lockers for larger luggage. I decided to get the super premium seats, which were a bit more expensive than the regular reserved seats, but still much cheaper than the regular Shinkansen tickets, and certainly much cheaper than the Shinkansen premium seats or green car seats. So, we've got nice, big, comfortable reclining seats and big windows, controllable AC flow. And adjustable blinds. Excellent. And have no fear about missing your stop if you don't speak Japanese. The train announcements and signs are in both Japanese and English.
Thank you for taking the Kintetsu Limited Express Hinotori. This is the Kintetsu Limited Express Hinotori, number 12, bound for Nagoya. We will soon make a stop at Osaka Uehomachi. Station number A3.
Here we go. Enjoy.